Okay? Enrollment system. When the task is interviewing students and the enrollment people, like the people in the admission, the registrar, of the registrar's office, doing an interview to gather data, no? So that you can use that one later on when you try to design the system. What scope is that? Is it a product or is it a project? Interviewing the stakeholders. Project or product?
Project.
Yes, it is a project. No, hindi naman kasama siya as a function, right? In the product? Yes. Okay. What about when the task is to create a database that accommodates yung normalized table of when for repository of the student records, at yung mga nabayad nila ang fees, and then is it a project or is it a product? So na-understand natin no, yung activities, okay, the task, revolving yung paggawa ng system that is incorporated as a project. Yung surrounding na activities mo for when you create the product. Pero yung product mismo, like, okay, setting the, ano ang scope ng enrollment system that covers the student record, including the grades, yung uploading of credentials and the like, those are part of the product enrollment system. Yes? So a scope is actually the sum of the project scope and then the product scope. So define natin what the project scope is and then what the product scope is. Alright? So, sige, ano ang ginagawa when you do this one? Scope management. We are already doing the plan.